Do you know why building your first $100,000 is often considered the hardest financial hurdle? It's not just a big number, it's a mathematical breaking point. We are breaking down the math of wealth today to show you exactly why this milestone is so critical and how achieving it shifts your entire financial trajectory. Legendary investor Charlie Munger famously said, "The first $100,000 is a B times TCH." And he was absolutely right. Once you hit that six-figure mark, something fundamental changes. Your money starts making more money than you do, leading to inevitable wealth creation. This is the mathematical breakpoint, the inflection point, where the power of compounding takes over and your journey to financial freedom accelerates dramatically. Let's first look at the journey from $0 to $100,000. This stage feels like an uphill battle, where every dollar saved is a dollar earned through sheer effort. Visualizing this early phase, you see a slow, almost linear growth curve. It's the grinding stage, where growth is heavily dependent on your personal income and savings rate. At this stage, your investments are small, meaning investment returns contribute very little. Success here relies almost entirely on maximizing your earned income and maintaining a high savings rate. The mental discipline and lifestyle sacrifices required to save those first six figures are substantial. It demands consistent effort and delayed gratification. Now let's talk about the magic, the power of compounding once you reach $100,000. The math suddenly works for you, not against you. At this point, you shift from a linear growth model to a powerful exponential curve. The returns on your investment start becoming meaningful contributions to your total wealth. When visualizing the growth from $100,000 to $1 million, you see the curve steepen significantly. This is compounding accelerating your journey to seven figures. A 10% return on $10,000 is just $1,000. You barely notice it. But a 10% return on $100,000 is $10,000, which might match or exceed your annual savings efforts. Reaching this breakpoint changes everything, transforming your wealth trajectory from a personal struggle to a system working on your behalf. This is the moment when the passive income generated by your investments begins to match or even surpass the amount you are actively saving from your paycheck. The psychological shift is huge. Compounding has accelerated, and your efforts are magnified. This reduces the mental strain of the early stages. Your focus shifts from maximizing savings to preserving that $100,000 base and optimizing your investments for steady returns. The journey to your first $100,000 truly is the hardest part of building wealth. It's the period that requires the most discipline and sacrifice. But remember it as the key inflection point. Once you cross that six-figure milestone, you harness the power of compounding, making your goal of $1 million inevitable. Start saving today, aim for that $100,000 breakpoint, and always remember to think wealthy. If you found this helpful, follow for more financial insights.